Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing your Vivo phone, unlock it and make sure battery is above 15%, then connect to Wi-Fi. Open the Themes app. If you don't see it, go to Settings Themes. Once the app loads, scan the featured and downloaded sections. Make sure you're signed into your Vivo account so purchases or saves sync. Don't waste time customizing yet. Use this step to pick the theme category and preview styles before applying anything. Once you've chosen a style, tap its card and use Preview to inspect icons, wallpaper, lock screen, and fonts. If satisfied, press Download. Once complete, choose Apply to switch everything at once or tap Customize to change parts individually. In Customize, adjust font size, icon shape, and lock screen shortcuts. Make sure to save each change. Once done, expect a brief reload of the launcher. Wait for home screen elements to settle before proceeding to the next step. After applying, review home screens and app drawer to confirm alignment and legibility. Make small tweaks in settings themes, customize if text overlaps. If items look wrong, toggle a different theme, then reapply the chosen one to refresh assets. As a final step, clear the launcher cache or reboot the phone if icons misalign. One key troubleshooting tip: if widgets break, remove and re-add them after clearing cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.